So if I wanted to paper trade SPY contracts like right now, it's running to the upside. By the way, first thing I would do is I would set this up just like the coaches. I would not have all this garbage that I don't need in here. I don't care about delta, don't care about gamma. I never buy, if this is an option, I never use last. I don't care how much it's changed. I don't care about theta. I definitely want open interest. Boom, that should look more like what I use, mid price to the outside, because that's the only thing I really care about when I'm purchasing the option. I will down in the bottom right-hand corner right here. This is SPY. This is what I'm trading. So right now, if I was getting into this trade, let's see, SPY here. And let's say I wanted to do 10, and then I would do my mid price simulated buy. Boom, there it is. So here's what I do on here, Nick, and everybody who's watching. What I do is on my screen, because you're right, there's no way you can get a real stop. So what I do on my screen is I will create my own simulated stop. I would go, listen, if this falls to here, I'm out. So what you can do is right click on the chart, go to drawing, horizontal, put it wherever you want, and then you can label it by a different color. Like, okay, it looks good here, get out here. Like red to me, right? If I'm drawing this saying I'm going to get out if it does this, red to me says you need to set, right, my stop. So mentally, I go, this is my cutoff. And then I'll sell it to that, because the one thing you'd never want to be concerned about ever, any of you, is paper trading, worrying about your P&L. The P&L doesn't matter at all. It's more of a like pump yourself up because, you know, yay, I'm doing great. The P&L should never matter to you. You should be more concerned with, was that a good trade? Did I enter the right time? Did I get out on the right time? Right? That's more important than, oh, today I made $8 million in my paper trading account. So it's more about like this. I'm in the trade. If this falls below and breaks below this, I better know how to get out, because that's more important than anything else, right? I need to know how to get in. I need to know how to get out. Was it successful? Did it go where I wanted it to go? Those are the things that we really want to be focused on, though, right, Nick?
Yeah. And then another question. So when I go to, how do you change it so your chart settings doesn't go to your options contract prices? So like if I click if I go to modify like an order, it'll go like it'll switch to the options
Yeah, I see it.
contract price.
I see it doing that right now. That's what I was just trying to figure out. Give me 1 second. I
Yeah.
don't know if you can with, I don't know if you can with paper trading. Let me see.
Okay.
Because unfortunately, let me check. Anybody who's a heavy paper trader can answer this question too. I never paper trade, but yeah, like right here, if this was a real account, Nick, I could right click this and go to modify, which you don't even have here. There's just
Right.
close and change it. But by doing that in the real account, it does not flip to this screen.
Right.
So unfortunately, I don't think there's a way with paper trading, because even when I right click, it still takes me to this damn screen.
Yeah.
But again, though, this is why I always leave this screen up. See this down here? This is my trading screen. I
Right.
always leave this up, because I'm like, if I'm doing options, I leave the options up and by buying a call or a put,
Mm.
put, and this is my trading window. So even if this flips to this screen, I wouldn't even know it, because I'm never looking at a full chart up here. See this? I never have this up. You guys never see me with this screen up when I'm trading, right? Never. It always looks like this, right? And this is what I trade from down here.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Yep. And that's because I'm in and out. Like right here, I go, whoa, don't be in that, right? Boom, because it's losing money. Market sell, get rid of it. Right.
Right. Yeah.
So I'd be like, nope, didn't go where I wanted. It's doing this. And now, like, I'd be into a put, right? Like, oh, boom, go into a put, grab the mid, simulated buy, boom, go. And then again, I go, okay, if it goes above here, that's my break. And I'm looking for a move. There it goes. See, so now I made money right here. Same thing. Close it. I could do limit. I could do market. And there, now I just made money off the trade, right?
Yeah.
So again, I'd never really concern myself with that P&L, because it's it's not gonna be accurate anyways because of the timing and stuff. It's more about what was I in? Was it a good trade? Where did it go? Where should it have gone? What is my mental stop? The one good thing with paper trading, because you guys don't get to use that mechanical stop, is that it will force you to get out of trades. And what you don't want to be in the habit of is holding things where you wouldn't in real life. Just like never start with an account size bigger than what you would use. So if you guys plan on opening up $1,000 real account, then you need to be using $1,000 real cash or $1,000 of the paper trading account. That way your trade size is the same. You're trading the same stocks that you would. You can see the way it really moves with how much you would actually use. That way, when you step over here, you're not like, whoa, this is way different, right? Anytime I see somebody in a paper trading account go, I made $1 million today. I'm like, well, what would your real account be? $250? You're probably not trading it the same, right?